You might have come across this message on YouTube support. Ignore that. I am going to show you how to change your channel name on your mobile phone. To start off, we go to our YouTube app. Once it opens up, you click on your channel icon at the top right hand corner. Click on your channel. Next, you click on the setting icon at the top right hand corner. So now you can see name. Click on the pencil icon to edit your channel name. So my channel name at the moment is Feminine Diaries, but I want to change it to Chy Diaries just to make it more personal to me. So I type in my new name and say OK. As you can see here, it says that 3 name changes allowed every 90 days. So you cannot change your channel name more than 3 times in 90 days. So this is fine. This is actually the first time I am changing my channel name, and I don't think you need to change it every time to avoid confusing your subscribers. So I click on OK. Remember also, you have to change or adjust your channel banner and just your channel art, and I will be doing that some other time. Now I will quickly change my channel name in my description area since it is easy. So let's do that right now. So you click on the pencil icon near description and edit. So I am going to change my name here. Welcome to Chy Diaries, and if you have other things in your description you will need to change to suit your new name change, you can go ahead and do that. So I click on OK, and now you can no longer see my old channel name. Welcome to Chy Diaries. So you can always just go in and change whatever you want here and press OK, and that is it. Please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you're interested in this type of content. Bye, have a nice day.